Hello BIM learners, welcome to bimmodeler.com. In this video tutorial, if you used array and if you used the older version, there is a struggle that when you make number of elements in the array, it will be very difficult to make it and we have to apply some condition to fulfill the array. For example, if you are using the array and if you are making array count, for example here, in this case, let us say that 10 number of fence elements are needed. Let's say this is fence element and 10 elements are needed. We are saying it. What happens when you are applying number 3? It happens. What happens when you apply in older version 2? And what happens when you apply number 1? So that's the situation that happens when error will come. We cannot go less than 2 in array in older version less than 25. But from 25, you'll have an option by default, whatever the control logic that we do, it will be done automatically in Revit. So you can see them, you can enable the visibility option, preview on, you will be able to see that this is how it appears. 1 means 1 and 0 means 0. Nothing will be there. So when you enable the visibility option only, you'll be able to see that the temporary hide options will be there. So you can increase the number one by one and you will have a difference between these two objects, which means we don't have to struggle anymore in array. And if you are using this option, do let us know in the comment already. And if you are using the still struggling with the older versions and older options of array number count issues, and do try this new version and do let us know how do you feel it. And if you don't know array difficulties, we have a tutorial about the fence family creation in our channel. We have explained that detailing options like how do we control number 1, 2 or 0 in that. So do check out that. And if you learned one thing, do share it with your learning friends so that sharing is caring. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye. And I want to special thanks to my team member who indicated that this option is involved and introduced in the new version. And also it is important that if you find any new option in Revit or if you need, so you wanted to share with others, you do let me know in the comment. We will be able to create that as a separate video so that others also learn from that. With that, see you on the next tutorial. Bye-bye.